Hello dear students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. I am solving the question based on the center of mass. Then what is the same question? Three men A, B and C of masses 40 kg, 50 kg and 60 kg are standing on a plank of mass 90 kg, which is kept on a smooth horizontal plane. If A and C exchanges their position, then mass B will shift. Here you can see that three men standing on a plank which has the weight is 90 kilogram and its weight is 50 kilogram first A, and B is 50 kilogram and C is 60 kilogram. As you know that the center of mass, this main is standing at considered 0 origin position, so it is minus 2 multiply 50 into 0 plus 40 into minus 2 and 60 into 2, and obviously this plank, it considered whole mass at the center, means 90 into 0 also. But upon whole mass, we can take here the whole mass 40, 50, 60 and 90. Then our center of mass is, it is 0, minus 80, 120 and 240. And how much? 40 upon 240. Then center of mass is 1 by 6. Now, if we have to be exchange means this person comes to the place A and B approaches to the C. Then what will be happen? So all these things remain same. Only here 40 goes towards to T2 and 60 minus 2. All the values are remain same. So therefore only changes their sign, 80 and minus 120, then 240, then new center of mass now become minus 1 by 6. Okay, so here the changes, total changes 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6, then minus 2 by 6, then center of mass changes and reaches towards to the right side. So B will shift 1 by 3 to right side. 1 by 3, B will shift 1 by 3 of right side. It is the correct answer. Now next question. A man has constructed a toy as shown in figure. If the density of material of the sphere is 12 times that of the cone, then determine the position of the center of mass. Here center of mass of the cone of height h is at height of h by 4 from the base. In our previous videos, you are well known about that. Whenever you have given such like that figure, which is subtracted from some part of that given body, then you can use the formula m1 r1 minus m2 r2 upon m1 minus m2. But in this case, you have given two bodies, different bodies are combined together. That means we have using the formula m1 r1 plus m2 r2 upon m1 plus m2. Here r means the distance from the axis of rotation. So here you have already given, it is the origin point and mass of the sphere, center of mass. You can take center of mass. Now center of mass of this given diagram, given toys, is a mass of sphere, and the distance from the axis of rotation is 4r, and r is 5r, plus mass of cone and distance from the center of mass. What is the center of mass of the cone? As given, we have to say given that the center of mass of the cone is h by 4, means total fourth time 1 by 4th time of total height. What is the total height? 4r, and divided by 4, the distance will get the r, and mass of sphere and mass of cone. And what is the relation is given? Relation of this relation is given that the density of the sphere is 12 times of the density of the cone. So therefore mass can be find out by multiply density and the volume. The density of the cone is 12 sigma c. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is whole mass of the sphere. Multiply by 5r plus what is the mass of the cone? Density we have already considered, sigma c, and 1 by 3 pi. What is r? R is given here, 2r, then 2r square, and height, what is height? 4r, and the distance from the center of mass is already we have find out, r upon total mass, sigma c 4 by 3 pi r cube plus sigma c 1 by 3 pi and 2r whole square and 4r. It is the mass. Then center of mass. Now center of mass, sigma c pi and r raised to power 4 get common. Then remaining terms is 80 plus 16 by 3, and again here in denominator sigma c pi and r cube get common, then 16, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 16 by 3, put as it is, sigma c cancel, pi cancel, r raised to power 4 and r cube, then only r is remaining numerator. Then by solving these values, r and it is a 240 and 16 to 56 divided by 64. Then 64 fours are 256. So now center of mass is 4r. Whole center of mass is 4r of this given toy.